lemon tart. The lemon tart is going to have this kind of a pie dough. However, more like a cookie dough.
The gentlemen that are here today are from the Joint Culinary of Excellence as well as the Army's Advanced Culinary Institute.
I'm gonna let you decide how much cheese we put in here. I'm just gonna put a lot.
And so they're here with our students here at Santa Lucia's doing some demonstrations, allowing our students to work alongside them.
I think having Sergeant First Class Chase and Sergeant First Class Gibson here, it'll just show them that you can do a lot more in the Army and you can do something that you're passionate about.
We're going to combine the butter, sugar, and vanilla extract until it's nice and creamy.
Once we start rolling, and you got to bring a lot of personality to get their personality out. So once we start bringing that, they got more involved, and the kids were excellent. They love the dishes. Some of them asked me the recipes already, and I think they believe that some of them are talking to the recruiters right now. All I want you to do is slice the sides off. You're gonna make strips. And here is very, very organized. That shows the discipline that the instructors are instilling in them, which is something that we look forward to in the military, is discipline and doing the right thing even when somebody's not looking. And you can tell they've been doing that here.
Whether it be the military or the restaurant business or just college or whatever it be, you know, there's always something to do with a career in culinary.
If your students have expressed interest in wanting to cook, travel the world, this is just one of many opportunities that our students in Palm Beach County have in terms of our choice and career programs.